you need to pass the you put this z1, and that moment you do one thing, put that simple dot operator, so all that methods you will get value of float value. Okay, you put the float value, that float value it is a method, so brackets. So you will by this method you will get this z1, it is an object created for wrapper class. z1 created object for wrapper class. By that we will get this value by this method. You come run this code. So where is that value getting by calling the method 10.6? 10.6, no? Understood what is the use of the wrapper class. So here so little bit. Okay, let us start the class. Now we are going to understand that linked list, one more collection of objects. Linked list. So linked list, array list, linked list, hash map, these are all what in Java they are called collection of objects. Means they will hold objects. If it is a integer type, or whatever the values we pass, they are called as objects. Okay, all the integers. Suppose if I pass in array list, integer type of array, I pass values arrays, integers 5, 10, like they are called as objects. So these lists will be linked list, array list will be used with collection of objects. Collection of objects. Collection of objects. Okay, now you do one thing. Okay, now first of all, linked list is what? Linked list is also like array list. It stores collection of objects. Linked list stores what? Collection of. Linked list stores collection of objects. Here difference is between array list and linked list. What? Array list stored in the value stored in a container and linked with another one. Okay, in linked list values, if it is a integer linked list, value stored in a container and it is linked with another. Array list, in array list what happens, values will be integer values, either float, whatever, they will be stored in sequence wise, sequence one after next, 10, 15, like what you know. But in linked list, values will be stored in a container and that is linked with another one. So we can simply say that value stored in a container and linked with each other, linked with another one, next one, and linked with another next one. Okay, but in array list what? Values will be stored sequence wise, one by one, next memory location. Okay, that is called what? Sequential manner. Okay, sequential manner. Okay, now let us create. So for that we need to import first our linked list. So same, we need to import java.util.linked list. Import the linked list, this one, and then terminate with the semicolon. Your It is a linked list is a class, built-in class. Okay, built-in class. So that has once built-in class is imported from utility subpackage, utility subpackage package of main Java main package. Once it is a built-in class, surely it has the methods. So your class name is equal to app and your file name is linked list 5. So it will not match. You need to change this class name as linked list as per your file name, linked list 5. Okay, now it is okay. Main class name change. This is the main method. Under this main method, this is the default statement you write. Now create a linked list with the syntax like linked list. So always this is capital letter. Okay, class. After that, wrapper class. Create a wrapper class for whether it is integer. Which type of wrapper class? Take the help of, okay, you take this as you need to create, you need to say it is which type of wrapper class. Suppose it is what character type of wrapper class. Okay, so take any name, new linked list character. You need to say it is which type of wrapper class. I am using here the character type of wrapper class. So now it is okay. Now we can store the characters by, this is an object creator, create for wrapper class. So list dot add, which methods, it has the methods. Okay, add method, use that add method. Within this you pass the character. In Java, character will be represented single. Okay, now C is stored in what, this list. Okay, now you one more time you call this list dot add brackets. Okay, D, terminate with the semicolon. Now what one more value you want to, list dot add bracket. Okay, always the character will be represented in single quotation marks. So if you pass any space, white space, it will give error, because always character will be represented, stored in single quotation marks in Java, but no any white space will be accepted. Only one character will be stored. So now 3 characters stored in this list. Okay, now if this is stored with the add method, this add method is the method of your linked list class, imported class. Okay, now if you want to get these values, you need to get a printout system dot out dot println. Now you simply call that object list. What is the object? This is the object. So now you compile, you run this code. So what, whether you will get the values, this is the linked list, CDE, character linked list. It is called what, character linked list. The linked list, its object is list. Okay, now you are getting these values. Now whether you can pass any, suppose 7. What do you mean of this? Well, is it a character? Yeah, yes, it is in 7 is in a character, because single quotation marks, if you keep anything, that will be treated as a character. So if you can, you put star here, so whether it will be considered as a character. Yeah, you can run this one. So you are getting 7, but you have passed a 7 in integer value, but you have kept in single quotation marks, so that will be considered as a character. So star will be considered as a character. So this is the character, character, that is what linked list. So then after, we can get the size of the linked list by this. You can use, you copy this one, and after that you paste here, and list of dot size. We can use size method. this is the method